Hi, Mohadi. Thanks so much for your question. I'm actually looking at your answer, and you are actually 100% right. Because by the time we have to come to factorizing that trinomial at the end, it isn't really quite possible. So I think you've got the right answer in what you've done here. So if we write it the way that you've written is equal to, we're going to take out our common factor, which in this case is 7y. 7y. What we're going to have left here is x squared y minus 5 xyz minus 4z squared. And from this point on, you are absolutely right. We can't actually factorize any further. And the reason is because of this negative here and this negative over here. Now, imagine that this sum was easier. It was written as x squared minus 5x minus 4. We still couldn't quite factorize it. So what I've done is I've just taken these variables that we have here. I've just taken x squared y, x, y, z, and z, and I've written them as x and x over there. Okay, so now if we have to actually factorize this, it's going to pose a couple of problems for us, which is what your question is doing right now. In that, if I try and factorize, I'm not going to find any factors of 4 that when multiplied by each other are going to give me negative 4. So yes, when I add them, I can put negative 1 minus 4, that's going to give me negative 1 minus 4, that's going to give me negative 5, 100%. You're correct there. But if I have to multiply them, negative 1 multiplied by negative 4, that's going to give me positive 4. And in this case, this negative we've got over here is the problem. It's the same in this question as well. This negative over here is also a problem. And it's just very tricky for us to have to solve this. But in this particular case, this answer that you've gotten to over here, this one that you've got here, this is absolutely the 100% correct answer. You don't need to factorize any further than that. Okay, excellent work. Try a couple more of these. I know you've got quite a lot, but this one you are 100% on. Why don't you send us the rest of your answers? We'd really like to see what you've done. You look like you know exactly what you're doing. Okay, good luck.